Hello and welcome to week 6. This week we're going to talk about creating content in the online environment and how to do it the right way, observing copyright and other laws. I'll be leading you in a facilitator-led discussion as we talk about the challenges you face when creating and finding content in your course, how you deal with copyright issues, and we'll continue a rich and robust learning environment discussion. The screen you see here is from XanEdu. That's a spoof on Xanadu. It's xan.edu. And what this site allows you to do is to take course content, videos, articles, blog posts, and things like that, provide it to XanEdu, and they will kind of synthesize all this into a packet, and they take care of all the copyright and all the legal matters. And then it can be offered to the student at a very nominal price. You're probably familiar with websites such as IncludeEd. Well, this allows you to take course texts and purchase it, negotiate a price. Perhaps there's only 5 particular chapters in a textbook that you want. Well, you can negotiate for those 5 chapters at a cheaper price. And it's a way to seamlessly integrate course text in an online program directly into the course, and it cuts out some of the work for the student. Today's announcement was made using the app Shadow Puppet, and no animals were hurt in the creation of this document, including my dog, Daisy, our corgi and long-haired dachshund mix. Have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you in our discussion.